This 2012 Audi A7 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Audi A7 Prestige Prestige Package Innovation Package Driver Assistance Package in iView Assist Bose Premium Sound System 3.0 LV6 Engine 8-speed automatic transmission Bluetooth connectivity navigation system rear view camera front parking assist rear parking assist heated front seat spooled front seats memory front seats power rear trunk opener keyless and tri-keyless start heated exterior mirrors automatic power windows power folding mirrors garnet red pearl exterior beige leather interior owner's manual floor mats 2 sets of keys owner. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Audi A7 3.0 Prestige is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and key, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.